The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Škoda Octavia are truly impossible to ignore. This walkthrough shows how to permanently silence them with Beep Away. We'll use a Škoda Octavia as our example in this walkthrough. The same steps work on any car with intelligent speed assist and a cabin USB port. Beep Away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Škoda. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep Away supports most modern car makes with I-Say warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Octavia. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Škoda Octavia is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password. Then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2024 for your Škoda Octavia. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number, so Beep Away can tailor the config file. On a Škoda, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side windscreen or door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep Away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Škoda Octavia 2024. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. Škoda Octavia 2024 ISA config file personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Škoda Octavia 2024 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like every new Škoda, your 2024 Octavia ships with intelligent speed assist that issues a warning beep whenever it thinks you're over the limit. It rearms every drive and often misreads signs, so the beeping rarely stops and can become quite distracting. Beep Away silences that specific warning beep permanently, while all your other driver assistance systems continue to work perfectly. The configuration loads directly from your USB stick. Beep Away does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply pull the stick out whenever you like, and all factory warning sounds will return. We used a Škoda Octavia in this demo, but your car follows the exact same Beep Away steps. Owners of many brands are experiencing the same persistent I-Say warning beep problem. If you drive a 2024 Škoda Octavia, you're not alone. Owners everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Online forums and review comments are filled with discussions about beeps on even small overspeeds, settings that reset every ignition cycle, and in-car menus that only offer a temporary mute. That's precisely why so many people are searching for a lasting fix, and why we'll answer a few common questions next. Beep Away loads a reversible configuration from your USB stick only while it's plugged in. Remove the stick, and your car immediately returns to its factory state. Nothing is permanently rewritten or modified. If warranty wording is a concern for your lease or country, we recommend reviewing your own terms. Yes, 2024 Škoda Octavia owners follow the exact same beep-away process you just watched. To double-check compatibility for your specific vehicle, just enter your VIN on beepaway.com before you order. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes to complete the process at home. No dealer visit, no complex coding tools, and no special cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration directly from beepaway. Simply search Google for beepaway or go straight to beepaway.com. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.